Oh my god, so good. Hey, Erhana, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. If you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara, better, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Yes, make sure you are. So, in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are making an edible jelly bean slime. So you guys know Easter is over and all the jelly beans, all the peeps, all the candy is on sale. So you know I had to get my grub on and buy half the store, well, Target. And so I bought jelly beans at Target and we are going to make a jelly bean edible slime just in case you got jelly beans around the house, because I know you do. So you guys, let's go make this easy jelly bean edible slime and let's go. So you want to start off with jelly beans. I am using the Starburst ones because the Starburst jelly beans is bomb diggity, you guys. Bomb. I'm telling you right now. Don't be getting them the cheap ones. Get the Starburst ones. So we are going to use a cup of jelly beans. I'm using a heaping cup. We're going to put it in a microwave for about 2 minutes. If you put it in there any longer than 2 minutes, it will be really, really hot. So I would suggest about 2 minutes, maybe 3 and under. And now we're going to use a cap full of oil, which is about a tablespoon of oil. And we're going to mix that all together. So you want to mix it until it's combined, you guys. This part is really easy to do. You just want to soften the jelly beans. So you put it in a microwave for under 2 minutes just to soften them. If you have, depending on the wattage of your microwave, it may be a little longer, but just make sure you don't do it until you burn the jelly beans. You don't want to burn the jelly beans. You just want them to be softened so you can make the slime. Now we're going to use a heaping 1/4 cup of flour, which is probably about 1/3 cup, but it is a heaping 1/4 cup of flour. We're going to mix that in, and then we're going to lay out freezer paper or parchment paper, and we're going to add our jelly bean mixture plus the flour, and we're going to mix that all together. So you want to mix this all until it's combined. And the reason why I'm using a fork and I'm testing it is because it was so hot. And I didn't want it to be too hot, you guys. This stuff was really hot, even at 2 minutes. So if you do keep it in there a little longer, just make sure you test it with one finger so you don't burn your hands. But now that I'm mixing it in, I'm making sure it's not too sticky, and then I'm adding more of the flour to it, and I'm making sure that it is mixed in. And you just want to mix it until it's combined, until all that 1/4 cup of flour is in there. And you only need a 1/4 cup of flour. You don't need a 1/2 cup. You may need a little bit more. That's why I use the heaping 1/4 cup, which technically runs to a third cup of flour. Then after you do that, you guys, then you want to just mix it, and it shouldn't be hot anymore. It's not that hot now. It's pretty warm, but I have like sensitive hands sort of, so I'm like, oh my god. But now it's almost done, and I'm going to just mix this flour all the way into it until it's not sticky, you guys. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of oil, and voila! Our slime is ready. Look how delicious it looks, you guys. So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite jelly beans are. Also, make sure you stay tuned for the after video. Well, now I eat it because y'all say I don't eat nothing. But I love you guys so much, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, you guys.
So hard to love my heart, but not the way that I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. God, I've never loved one like you. And oh my, you're my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing pleased me more than you. Oh, let me come home. whenever I'm coming home. I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. God, I never loved one like you.
So this is the aftermath of the slime. Look at it. Ooh, doesn't it look good? Ah! So let's taste it, because y'all used to say I don't taste nothing. So we gonna taste it. Ah! Oh my God, so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah. Oh my God. It is so good. So bomb. So you guys, I really want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Shundara Creates. If you make this jelly bean edible slime, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me see it on Instagram, hashtag Shundara Creates, hashtag Shundara Creates, and also follow me on Instagram so we could do shout out Wednesdays on Instagram in our Instagram stories where I shout you guys out. Make sure you leave me a heart emoji. So you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode. Shundara Creates. Bye guys.